this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a custom list in Microsoft Excel. So let's just say there's a list of something like project names, for example, that you're always referring back to in Microsoft Excel, and you want to be able to reference this list quicker and easier. So to do this, you can make a custom list. To do this, you want to go to File, go all the way down to the bottom where you see Options, and then when you click on Options, you're going to click on Advanced, and then you're going to scroll down all the way near the bottom until you see General. And once you see General, you're going to go to the bottom of this general grouping. You're going to see Create List for Use in Sort and Fill Sequences. You're going to click on Edit Custom List, and here you can create a new custom list. So you're going to make sure you click on Custom List, New List, because we're trying to create a new list, and we want to go ahead and import this list from cells. So as you can see, I already kind of did a test of this, but to show you how you can do it, we're going to click on the list, and you're going to reference the cells associated with the list. So highlight these cells, and then click on Import, and then the list will be imported at the bottom right there. And then you're going to click on OK, and then you're going to click on OK again. And now, if we type in something from the list, like cool project, we can copy and paste this down. It will auto fill the projects. And if we type in something that's in the middle of this, like we type in South Project, for example, it will still continue to fill in with the other associated projects. And this is great because it will make it to where you can fill in your list much easier, much quicker. One thing to note too is, as you can see, it does repeat items, and it does repeat the list over and over again, kind of without warning, so be careful of that. As you can see, we have cool projects here, awesome projects, but then we have cool project and awesome project there too. But yeah, and we go to a new workbook, for example, we type in cool project, and then we copy paste this down. As you can see, it still works. So we found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.